Hello students. So I posted one question related to economy, or you can say agriculture, or more specific agriculture finance, on my Telegram channel Indian Economy by Himanshu. Now if you see the previous year question of economy, so there are some questions, or you can say there is one question in which UPSC has asked about that which of the following organization has given maximum agriculture credit to the farmers. So there you can say list is mentioned: scheduled commercial bank, regional rural banks. Okay, so ultimately cooperative banks. So ultimately you have to select which one has given the highest loans or credit to agriculture, or you can say in agriculture to the farmers. Okay, now keeping that thing in mind, I framed one question like, consider the following statement: in the last 10 years, the average annual growth flow of agriculture credit has been in the double digit. Yes, that is 13%. So yes, this statement is correct. Okay, now this statement I have taken from your newspaper. Okay, or rarely you will find in any current affair magazine. So please remember it that it has doubled. Okay, in last fiscal, so that is 23-24, so I have mentioned that in bracket also, credit dispersal to Tamil Nadu was highest, followed by Karnataka. Now no doubt the maximum agriculture credit is given to Tamil Nadu. After that it is Andhra Pradesh, not Karnataka. So second statement is incorrect. Clear? So the correct answer is A only, that is first only. Okay. Now we'll see what your competitors has mentioned. So 66 student has answered this question. So out of that only 29% has given a correct answer. Clear? Rest has given a wrong answer, or you can say maximum student has given the answer C, 48%. Okay. Now this shows that majority student go with both 1 and 2. So as I discussed in one of my video, that majority student has a tendency to select both 1 and 2, yeah, all correct. So don't commit such mistakes. So if you have a thorough understanding or thorough concept clarity, then only you can answer such questions. Okay. So you have to be in touch with current affairs. So please update in your notes.